Section 8, officially the Housing Choice Voucher Program, pays a portion of your rent on a private market apartment if you qualify by income. The catch: waitlists are typically 2 to 5 years long, and some cities close their lists for years at a stretch. Here is how it works in 2026, who qualifies, how to apply, and the preference categories that move you to the front. What Section 8 actually is. The federal government, through HUD, gives your local public housing agency money. The PHA issues vouchers to qualifying households. You find a private market apartment yourself, apartment, townhouse, even single-family home. The PHA pays a share of the rent directly to the landlord. You pay the rest. Your share is typically 30% of your adjusted monthly income. 2026 income limits are set as a percentage of area median income for your county. Very low income, 50% of AMI, is the general eligibility cutoff. Extremely low income, 30% of AMI, gets priority. In a high-cost city like San Francisco, 50% AMI for a family of 4 is around $105,000. In rural Kentucky, the same 50% might be $32,000. Look up your county's limit on HUD.gov, finding your local PHA. Go to hud.gov/program offices/public Indian housing/FAR/contacts. You'll get a list of every PHA in your state. There can be dozens, including statewide ones, county level, and city level. Apply to multiple PHAs in your region, since each runs its own waitlist with its own preferences. Some PHAs hold limited open enrollment windows. Others have permanently closed lists. Open vs. closed waitlists. Open. The PHA is currently accepting applications. You file and join the waitlist with a position number. Closed. The PHA has more applicants than vouchers and refuses new applications until they work through the backlog. Most PHAs in major cities have closed lists for 1 to 5+ years at a time. When they reopen, they usually announce it 30 to 90 days in advance. Sign up for email alerts on the PHA website to catch the reopening window. 5 preference categories that jump you to the front. 1. Homeless or facing imminent homelessness. 2. Living in substandard housing. 3. Paying more than 50% of income on rent. 4. Working at least 30 hours per week. 5. Elderly or disabled head of household. Each PHA chooses which preferences to honor. Check yours. Vets often have separate VASH program slots that don't compete with regular Section 8. What to do while on the wait list. Update your address with the PHA every time you move. Losing contact is the #1 reason people drop off lists silently. Recertify your income annually as required. Keep documentation organized. Tax returns, pay stubs, lease agreements, ID. When your number comes up, you typically have 60 to 120 days to find a unit and submit it for inspection. Have a target neighborhood ready. Recap. Section 8 pays your landlord directly. You pay tilde 30% of income. Income limit, 50% of area median income, priority at 30%. Apply to multiple local PHAs. Most lists are closed long-term. Sign up for reopening alerts. 5 preference categories jump you forward. Update your address while waiting or you fall off the list silently.